At the end of a long day of pulling espresso shots and steaming milk, the espresso machine at your cafe, coffee shop, home or office will be in need of some very targeted cleaning. It cannot go without saying that the cleaner your machine, the better its performance, the tastier your coffee beverages will be, and the longer it will serve you from the cumulative effect of daily service and maintenance. From where we brew, espresso machines come at a tidy sum, and their parts are also expensive and hard to come by. Regardless of whether this is your circumstance, let's see how to basically keep things hygienic at the coffee counter. You will need a group head brush, food grade espresso machine detergent, wiping cloths preferably separately color coded for the steaming wand, drip tray and portafilters to ensure no cross contamination, a blind filter basket, and a small soaking basket. Dislodge the portafilters from the group heads and knock off the used coffee packs into a knockbox. We digress a little and talk about the importance of a knockbox. First off, it can be purchased in a coffee accessories shop or locally made using wood, metal, and rubber. It's important as it ensures that coffee packs are held or tucked away in an accessible spot to enhance ease and flow of work on the counter. It also avoids dumping coffee directly into the waste bin as this may contaminate the portafilters. Lastly, it allows the barista to see the consistency of the coffee pack to ascertain the grind and consistently ensure a great beverage. Back to cleaning. Flush the group heads by pressing the machine's hot water button briefly to purge out any coffee grounds that may be stuck on the top screen. Fix the portafilter and press the brew button to allow water to flow through it. Dislodge it and replace the filter basket with a blind basket. Add a quarter teaspoon of the food grade espresso machine detergent into the blind portafilter. Attach it back to the group head and press the brew button. The hot water mixed with the detergent will flow backwards into the screens in what is called backflashing, thereby cleaning out the screens and group heads thoroughly. Remove the portafilter and brush the group head and screen with the angled brush to get all the trapped coffee off. Reattach the blind portafilter without detergent and backflash several times until the basket has no residue of coffee or detergent. For the portafilters, soak them and their brew baskets in a jug with some dissolved espresso machine detergent and warm water. For the steaming wand, fill a jug with hot water and immerse the steaming wands for a few minutes to dislodge any milk that may have stuck inside or outside the wand. Polish using the dedicated white cloth, purge out some steam for a few seconds, wipe dry and push back towards the inner panel of the machine. Please note that purging the steam wand should always be done with the nozzle turned inwards to avoid accidental scalds or burns. Turn off the power button and you're ready to brew the next day.